Hey guys, back with me Beno in my channel, and now I would like to present you the newest release of Star Wars The Vintage Collection, Rebel Fleet Trooper 4-in-1 pack, yeah. And now you can see this is quite a small box, not really as big as advertised, and I'm quite surprised when I'm receiving this package. And let's open this package and we can see what's inside this. There are actually 3 Rebel Trooper and 1 officer. Is it Captain Antilles or not? I don't think so, it's Antilles. And if you open the package, you will have 4 boxes inside, and it's actually 8 there. And this is the instruction sheet like you can see on the usual TVC packaging. And let's open this, and we've got 1 plastic bag with a blaster rifle, the Rebel blaster rifle, what's the name, and 4 plastic bag, body bag, a figure in a body bag. You can see them. See further, and here you can see the first figure. Let's open this one, and inside you are getting the blaster pistol. This is his what do you call this, like ammo, some kind of ammo pouch. You can fit it because there's a hole and a pinpoint. You put the blaster pistol, and here they are, the helmet and the figure. And let's see the figure first. We've got the face. For the face, you're getting some quite of American, South American guy, yeah. I thought this was Asian guy, but quite Asian, looks like Asian because he got slanted eyes. But since there are no Asian in the first scene on A New Hope, then I bet he is a South American guy. Yeah, but he's quite Asian. We don't know. And for the articulation, you will get the usual, the regular, the old one, not the newest TVC, because he still got his swivel tight and ball jointed knees and ball jointed ankle, and still swivel, not ball jointed hand. And this is his arm, and still the old ball jointed neck, not the new one. But the head, I see, the neck is miscolor, not the same color with his face, and but he's already got the photorealistic face. Okay, this is the blaster, and let's see. This is another guy. This is the black dude. He's got bulb, and the neck is also brown. The photorealistic one, and ammo pouch, but it's not color. Let me tell you about the color version in the later scene where I give you the comparison from this one, the newest Rebel Fleet, with the older vintage collection. Put him here, and let's see another guy. This guy is this guy in the picture in the movie, I think. Look at him. The old guy, the Caucasian one. They actually, if this release is the multicultural release from Disney, they intend to make Star Wars into multicultural movie, so everybody in the world can enjoy this, and they make it happen with the release of this figure. And the last one is the captain of the Rebel Fleet, and I'm not quite sure about the rank, but let's see, he's a captain, and he's getting the same molding but different color. The color is quite tan or green, and I don't see any ammo pouch on his leg. Is he getting one or not? I don't think so. He's getting one. Okay, let's say he's not getting his ammo pouch. So let's see the face. So pretty sure it's not Captain Antilles. Maybe this is some random guy. You tell me, guys. And let me tell you about the differences between the Rebel that come from the vintage collection, the older one, the oldest of this Rebel Fleet Trooper, because they've got something like a hat, and this is the measurement tools for incoming ships, I think. But the difference is the head, the face is still painted, and then coming the painted photorealistic version of this guy with the brighter color in the Rebel Fleet hallway scene, ya, diorama. This one basically is this guy with the photorealistic. And then here we are. There comes the newest one that we are currently reviewing it now. And okay, that's it. That's all. Thank you for watching, and may the force be with you. See me, subscribe me for my kind video of Star Wars TVC. Okay, bye bye.
Terima kasih sudah menonton, jangan lupa tonton video aku yang lainnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bye-bye.